Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Creating a fairytale garden with shabby chic charm. Embrace the art of gentle neglect and cultivate an outdoor space that feels both timeless and enchanting. A shabby chic garden isn't about perfection. It's a celebration of weathered beauty, soft colors, and romantic decay. Imagine a place where time stands still, and every element tells a story of seasons past. This style combines the delicate charm of an English cottage garden with the whimsical found object appeal of a storybook. By blending vintage finds with lush, billowing plants, you can transform any plot into a personal fairytale retreat. It is a sanctuary designed not for show, but for the soul, inviting you to linger and dream. The foundation of this aesthetic lies in a softly faded color scheme and time-worn textures. Think of flaking paint on a wooden bench, the gentle rust on an old watering can, and the great patina of aged terracotta pots. Opt for furniture and structures in shades of creamy white, dusty sage, pale lavender, and powdery blue. These colors should look as if they have been gently bleached by the sun and washed by the rain over many years. Incorporate natural materials like rough sawn wood, wrought iron, and chippy, distressed picture frames. This layered approach creates a sense of history, making your garden feel established and lovingly worn in. The heart of a shabby chic garden beats with found treasures and cleverly repurposed items. Scout flea markets for an ornate but rusty headboard to use as a unique garden arch, or a weathered ladder to act as a vertical plant stand. An old porcelain sink can become a whimsical container for a lush collection of succulents and herbs. Don't be afraid to place a tattered armchair in a shady corner, creating an unexpected and inviting spot for contemplation. Even simple items like vintage bottles, chipped china, and old tools can be arranged to add personality and charm. These elements are the fairy dust that sprinkles magic and a sense of personal history throughout your space. The planting style should be soft, abundant, and slightly unruly, as if nature herself designed the layout. Focus on heirloom flowers and plants that evoke a sense of nostalgia and romance, such as climbing roses, peonies, lavender, and delphiniums. Allow plants to spill over pathways and mingle together, creating a tapestry of texture and color rather than rigid, formal beds. Incorporate plenty of greenery like lamb's ear and ferns to provide a soft, calming backdrop for the floral displays. Let your roses clamber over an arbor or up a weathered trellis, creating those dreamy, flower-framed passages essential to any fairy tale. This lush, overflowing abundance is key to achieving that enchanting secret garden feel. A shabby chic garden is meant to be experienced, not just viewed from a distance, so comfortable seating is essential. Tuck a wrought iron bistro set, adorned with soft, floral print cushions, into a quiet nook under a tree. A simple wooden bench, painted an appealing white finish, provides the perfect perch for enjoying the scent of blooming flowers. Drape fairy lights or strings of pearls over an arbor to create a twinkling canopy for an evening retreat. You can even hang an old swing from a sturdy tree branch to add a touch of playful nostalgia. These intimate spaces invite you to slow down, sip a cup of tea, and fully immerse yourself in the serene, romantic atmosphere you have created.